right, everybody, I'm here with Katarina. How you doing?
Good.
So here's what's going on. We are going to be surprising her husband with a drive in LaFawnduh, everyone. So Katarina got a hold of me on Instagram. She said, hey, I need to know if you can do me a favor. My husband, he's a really hardcore car nut, and for Valentine's Day, I want to do something really special for him. I want to, well, go ahead and explain.
So I pretty much wanted to surprise him with a car that he's been dreaming of ever since he was a child, and it was a Corvette. And he's been such a hard worker, and I just wanted to give him a little treat for Valentine's Day and surprise him. And I don't know, I just thought it'd be really fun to see, and I've never gotten the chance to surprise him before because he's really good at figuring out surprises. So I've never surprised him, but I feel like today I finally surprised him. So
awesome. So everybody stand by because we're going to surprise her husband Jacob with a joyride in LaFawnduh. So let's go ahead and see what we can do, see if we can surprise him.
Yep.
You can see LaFawnduh there in the distance, so I'm kind of on stakeout to see when they pull up next to the car. So this should be pretty good. Wonder if this is everybody. I think this is them right now. So this is too funny right now. Trying to make sure they don't see, trying to make sure they don't see me. Is this Jacob?
Yes, sir.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
Fantastic.
Well, what's going on? How you doing, brother?
Fantastic.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you finally. How you doing? How you doing?
Doing good.
I am just, I'm not sure if you know what's going on.
I don't. I thought it was going to work out.
All right, so here's the deal right now. So I'm a local YouTuber. Your wife reached out to me. She was like, hey, my husband, he's a huge car nut, and I'm wondering if you would do me a favor. Take this man on a joyride in the ZR1. And once she said, hey, can you do it? You guys just came from San Diego.
Yeah.
I lived in San Diego for some time, and I was like, I just got to do it. I got to do it. So are you game?
You should.
Awesome. Awesome.
You ready?
We're about to do it.
Let's do it.
Have fun.
All right, so we'll be back shortly. Come on in, man. Yeah, man.
He was so confused. He was like, wait, that's the same car we saw on the YouTube.
Oh my gosh, man.
Dude, he deserves it. He deserves it. And this is I don't know how many Valentine's Day gifts you got, but this is one of those gifts that she really wanted.
That's the gift that I wanted to do.
She wanted to do for you.
That's what I wanted to do yesterday, by the way.
It's probably the fastest car I've ever been in. I like things, mine's fast.
Yeah.
And I can't get on it the way I would like to, just because it's cold out. These are Sport Cup 2 tires, and they have no traction right about now. They're probably like hockey pucks right now. So yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. Ready to do it. Thank you so much for this. I appreciate it. Here we go.
Oh man.
Alrighty.
Oh. I've never been in race seats before.
Yeah, man. These jokers, you can, I'm not sure if it goes back anymore, but this is kind of a crazy fit. So
It's very comfy.
Your wife is crazy. Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah, I think this tops any of her gifts.
Oh yeah. Turn that off and put this in, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll, man. So you guys, how long have you guys been down here?
So we just moved to Virginia we got here in October.
Okay.
I've been in the Navy for almost 5 years at this point. PCS from San Diego. So we drove from Dallas to San Diego to here.
You drove from oh damn.
Yeah, all the way from San Diego. So
That's a fun ride. Like,
yeah, it was fun up until we got to Tennessee. They don't, or not Tennessee, Louisiana. They don't take care of the roads there.
Oh no. Potholes and everything.
Every inch.
That's crazy. Yeah, I drove back in 2005. I actually drove from here to San Diego, and I tell you what, that was the best ride. I had a Mustang at the time, so it wasn't anywhere near this, but it was still fast for, you know,
was it a
fastest
GT?
car I ever drove. It was a Roush Mustang. It was basically a GT with the body kit.
Supercharged?
No, and that was one of the big things. But it was, I loved it. Loved that drive. So I know the car scene is nothing like it is over in
San Diego.
in San Diego. It has a decent car scene. I mean, you were here, you got here in October of last year, so I'm not sure how much of the car scene you've been able to experience since you've been here, but it's not bad. It's pretty decent.
I've actually had more car meetups here than I have in San Diego.
Oh, really?
The car scene is actually more up in LA. It's about 2 hours away. There wasn't much interaction going on. But
so when I was there, we actually had a really, like, the Mustang was like the official car of the Marine Corps. And so they had meets, especially Mustang, like you said, since there were so many people that had Mustangs, we had a really, really good interaction as far as car show meets and different things like that. So how long have you been in the Navy again?
coming up on 5 years.
Coming up 5 years.
Yes, sir.
Where are you originally from?
Arlington, Texas.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Yes, sir. So, been traveling a lot. Been deployed once.
Uh-huh.
We went over to the Mediterranean.
Oh, nice.
That was about 7 months. It's definitely been a fun adventure so far.
Oh, I bet. Yeah, she was just like, he's such a car nut and da-da-da-da. Yeah, she really wanted to do this for me. So, I thought it was pretty cool.
I was just telling her this morning, I want something with 8 cylinders.
She had texted me that. So did you go to any of the, I'm not even sure if they still have it, but at Qualcomm, they used to have the race legal events.
They actually shut it down whenever I was starting to bring my car out and everything and work on it.
Oh, get out.
So, it was lack of funding, unfortunately. There have been rumors for about a year saying they'd bring it back. But they've been doing a lot of autocross there.
Oh, okay.
So, it's so comfy for a sports car.
Yeah, I like it, man. A lot of people talk about the seats are, and it, you know, of course, Corvette is supposed to be an older guy's car, you know, 60, gray hair, and all that other crap. And a lot of them, they opt for the GT bucket seats that they think is a little bit more comfortable. But I've sat in those, and then I sat in these, and I've done road trips. It's completely fine, and I love it. So I don't know what they're talking about, but you know, to each their own.
Yeah, it all comes down to preference, you know, whether you like the super bolster seats.
Yeah. All right, my man. Definitely appreciate it, brother. So everybody, my man Jacob, we just went on a quick joyride. How did you like it, man?
It was awesome, man. I've never been in a car more than 300 horsepower, so it's definitely a new experience.
All right, everybody. So we're about to go ahead and wrap this video up. And everybody, I want to thank you guys for coming by. I want to thank Jacob and his wife, Katerina, for allowing me to do this. And it's just been an awesome time, man. So I guess we'll see everybody later. All right, take it easy.